Okay, let's go ahead and set up our project. We'll start here at the Spring Initializer website, start.spring.io. And for the project type, we'll choose Maven. Be sure to choose the language of Java. And for Spring Boot versions, choose the latest released version. Avoid the snapshot versions. For the group, we'll give com.love2code springdemo.mvc. For artifact, we'll give validation demo. And I'd like to zoom in and make a change here to the package name. I'd like to remove the .validation demo here. So let's go ahead and remove that. And we should just have the com.love2code springdemo.mvc. Be sure you have jar packaging selected and also choose your Java version. Now let's move up to the actual dependency section and add dependencies. And let's choose the web dependency. In this case, we're building a Spring MVC app. And then we'll select TimeLeaf, the TimeLeaf template engine for our view pages for our MVC app. We'll also add validation support. And then finally, we'll add dev tools to give us that auto reload feature of Spring Boot. I'll scroll down here. So over on the right-hand side, just make sure you have this checkpoint. Make sure you have these dependencies that I have listed here on the screen. All right, this looks good. Let's go ahead and generate our project. It'll download our validation demo.zip. Let me swing over here to my file system. Zoom in a bit. And I'll move into my downloads directory. And I'll unzip that zip file. And now what I'll do is I'll simply copy this file over to another directory. And I'll move up to my dev Spring Boot directory. I'll move into the 06 directory. And then I'll simply paste it here. Excellent. So now let's go ahead and open this project in our IDE. Let me do a quick rebuild on the project. And now let's go ahead and do our housekeeping here, setting up our IntelliJ settings to have support for the auto reload. I'll move here under settings. I'll go to build execution deployment, choose compiler. Make sure we have this box checked for build project automatically. Then we apply that change. And also go down to the advanced settings and make sure you have this option already selected. Allow auto make. So make sure that's already checked. If not, go ahead and check it, but make sure it's enabled or on. And then we hit OK. So this is pretty good. So at this point, our project is set up and ready to go. In the next set of videos, we'll learn more about setting up validations, and we'll use this project as our starting point. So I'd like to say, good job.